What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the apps that keeps crashing in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon. So when you will tap on restart icon here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone will start working properly. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue with the apps, then check for storage space. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on device care and then click on storage. So if the storage space is running out, then you have to delete some extra files to free up some space, or you can also empty your recycle bin to free up the space. So when the storage is full, your phone may crashes some apps, so it's better to always have a storage space. So after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is look for the app that is causing the issue. Then press and hold on that app and then click on this information icon. Now scroll down and click on storage, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of the app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data. And after doing this, the app will start working properly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the app crashing issue, then the last solution left is factory reset your phone. So for that, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset. Now swipe up to go down, and here again click on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and it will delete everything from your mobile. So it will delete all photos, videos, files and apps from your phone, and after factory reset your phone will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.